You'd like to come close to the water? Come and see. Here you go, Hazel. Look, Campbell, Hazel's showing you the flower. Dragonfly is right there, too. Look at that, dragonfly's wings. They stick out straight like an airplane wing. Ooh, and they can fly. Oh, sorry, sweetie, I bumped your face. Are you okay? I bumped your face with my... Yeah. What? Yeah.
Nice one.
Archie's here, Campbell is here, Hazel's here, JoJo's here, Kai is here, Kaya and Larson are here, Stevie's here. Still waiting for a couple more. I think 2 more minutes or so, so we have enough time down at the pond. It's flying. Did you know those kinds of bugs can fly?
Yeah.
Up, down, forwards, backwards, and they can even hover in midair like a helicopter. Hello, Froggy.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Wink, wink. It looks like the froggy on my shirt. Can it hop on my shoulder? Which one do you think will eat which?
You can't eat me. My skin's too floury.
You're so big, I don't think I can.
I was
fit you
gonna
in
go sit
my
on our
mouth.
blanket because it
If
kind
you
of
were
hurts my
smaller,
knees to
I might.
crouch like
There you
that.
go, Archie.
Whoa, JoJo.
Look,
There's
it's
a big frog there. Can you help
on.
that frog get back in there?
Like this.
Oh, sit with my legs crossed? Yeah,
And
that's
on my
smart.
other
That'll help my knees.
Wow, look at that. I wonder if it could land on my hat.
Wow. Where's that one gonna go?
Do you want to put that one on my hat
Cool.
Look, look, it's on my
too?
head.
It's on your head. Don't scare it away.
That's a nice frog. That's a big frog. There, you see the yellow one? That's a big one.
What do you want? Fruit snacks or oranges?
What's that?
Fruit snacks?
What's that?
Oranges.
It's on my